friends, in today's video I'm going to share how I enjoy my coffee, what I use in taking my coffee. Okay friends, this is my coffee here. I already made it, and this is honey here, but I'm not going to use this honey. I use this honey once in a while. Then this is my cup here. This is my dates here. I use this dates always in taking my coffee. Dates is really sugary. This is almond nuts here. This coconut here. In fact, I love taking coffee with coconut because I love the taste. But I always use dates. With dates, I don't need to put sugar in my coffee again. So I'm going to pour the coffee now. Friends, it's time to enjoy this coffee. This is the coffee here. What I do is I eat this, then I sip the coffee. Or I could take the nuts, then I sip the coffee. Thank you. That is all I have for you for this video.